Hi guys, it's Moz. As you know, I've been basically putting a lot of effort into getting my work area up to a spec. I've repurposed a lot of areas, and you've probably seen that I've been working on the tool inside, as I call it, you know, the building of the models. And I thought that I could do a video about the upgrades I'm about to do on this spray booth. And as you know, this is all being made by hand, using MDF, all screwed together. I got that extraction fan quite cheap, you know, with a filter on it. I think they were about 300 quid, but I got it for 55 or something like that on Facebook. But the one thing that's lacking is light. So at the moment, I've just got this cool light, and you know, you turn it on and off there, but it doesn't really do a lot. As you can see, there's a lot of dark areas. So the idea was to find a solution on getting as much light inside this spray booth as possible. And thanks to one of my viewers, and I'm really sorry, I have I can't remember who it was. I've tried looking through the comments, I can't quite remember. But he suggested a solution, and I'm about to show you what I found. So one of my subscribers basically said, why don't you use under-the-counter lights? You can buy them. And I'm trying to think of the company that he mentioned, but they do kitchens and stuff. And you can go and buy kitchens from this company. And it is like a Juicens or some sort of trade building supply place. Yes, I remember it now. It was Howden's building place that the guy mentioned getting these lights. Anyway, back to the video. I personally couldn't find them, but I found something very similar on Amazon. So this is the box they came in, and they are LED ground clear cabinet lamp. But on Amazon, there is 3 or 6 pieces: under cabinet light kit, LED, kitchen counter, closet, LED, puck display lamp. That's what it is. I will leave a link in the description box down below so you can see where these lamps have come from. Now, I could have bought them with just batteries in, but I wanted to actually physically wire them up. And you get this, I think it's some sort of transformer that you then plug these lights into. So you can see there's like a 2-pin there, and you've got the female in there, and they just slip in like so. So you've got 1, 2, and we can put a 4th one in if you want to, but this one comes in 3. You can buy 3s or 6s for this. And I also bought the 6000K, which is the cool light. The bigger the number, the whiter the white. And you know, if you wanted warm lamp, which is more like a yellowy sort of tinge, beigey sort of tinge, you go for like the 2000, 3000K. So I just plug these in so you can see how bright they are. They comes with everything that you need. So the plug in, you can see they're quite bright. All right, and they're metal as well. Now the beauty is that you can actually unscrew these and take the filter out if you so wish. So unscrew that, and you can see then you're just left with some LEDs. Very, very bright. You know, you're not going to be missing out. So I presume that you can put some clear ones in if you so wish, but these also have like a dimmer effect as well, so they kind of spread the light, if you know what I mean, like what they call it, you know, a softbox sort of effect. So you got 3 of them there. Just make sure they're all tightly screwed in. And you got these 3. So the idea is to put these underneath the spray booth so it does light up the whole spray booth. So we're at the workbench, and underneath, as you can see, there is some easily good clean area to stick these lights on. These do come with 3M double-sided sticky tape, padded as well, so we're going to stick them underneath. But firstly, I need to drill a hole in the side here so I can feed these wires in, and I've got one of the biggest drill bits I can find, and I'm just going to drill a hole just there through. So that's the hole drilled through now. Need to unplug these because this will sit outside like so. Then what I need to do now is feed these wires through that hole. So we will, hopefully this will go through. It should, yeah. So there's the first one. Putting through. Hopefully we'll be able to stick one there. So there's the first one. There's the second one. And then finally the third one. There you go. Whoops, pulled the wrong wire then. So then we have all three hanging down. And there you are, there's the three lamps. So hopefully, if we put them up, you'll see that they will really lighten up the place a lot more. So I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to put that one, just twist the camera up so you can see. I'm going to put that one here, about there. Actually, sod that. I've just actually found that these come with screws. So I'm assuming you can unscrew these, like so, and actually screw them through the middle there. So there's two screws there, you can screw them in. So I'm going to actually screw them in. Now I've got these screws, I'm just going to screw them in, which will be a lot easier. They are quite bright as well. So, need the drill again. So I'm going to try and aim the camera up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. So this one here, we can put a screw in. And screw them into... Oh, just dropped the screw. This is going to be a tough one, trying to film this and also screw them in. And there you go, one screwed in. Right, so now these have been screwed in. I can now put the covers back on. These are really nicely made, you know. There you go, just screw that one back in. And finally this one up underneath, and just gently find the bite and screw them in. And then that's a lot better. So now I've got lights pointing down onto the area, and also you can put some cling film over them to protect them from overspray, but I'm pretty happy with that. That's a lot lighter now than what I originally had. So there you are, that was a bit of an upgrade to my spray booth. If you want to see these lights, you can see them in the link below, and it will take you to Amazon, where you can buy the lights. Firstly, this video was sponsored by 3 of the supporters of this channel who have donated to the channel using Buy Me a Coffee. Thank you so much. Their names are Crazy Looker, Zebra 3 and Scottish Model Building. Thank you so much for donating to the channel so I was able to buy those lights. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. And if you want to become a channel member, just click join below, like the members here that are on the screen, and you can become a channel member for £1.99 a month. And it was really appreciated because it helps me continue doing what I love to do. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. So guys, if you've not seen the latest video of my workbench rebuild, click the link here. And if you're wondering where the new 1/24 scale Spitfire from Airfix is being made, you can click the link here. I'm going to get back to my mince pies and cream.